Hey girl, hey, hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be reviewing this wig. It cost about $19. I got it off of Amazon.com and I believe it's like 20 something inches, maybe a little longer than that. It's also a human hair blend. So it's a little different than synthetic, so it should be nicer in quality. So from here you can see that it has a middle part and it has a little lace right at the top. So yeah, it's not the best lace, but it is a lace for $19. So enjoy the video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. you're gonna need this wig spray. I'll explain more about it later in the video, but it'll be in the description below. So if you do end up getting this wig, you're gonna need this wig spray. So pretty much what this does is to help with like the tangling of the hair on like synthetic type of wigs. Yeah, so pretty much it just helps to get the hair in a nicer state than it was, because you know, like over time, like synthetic starts to like tangle and like, you know, kind of get like knotted up. So this wig spray is gonna be like your best friend, like literally you're gonna need this. So I'm gonna put this in the description, because if you're gonna go for a synthetic wig like this one, you're gonna need this spray, especially if you want it to look, you know, sleek and polished and put together, and you're not a fan of tangles, because I'm not. And yeah. Alright, so we have made it to the end of the video, and this is what it looks like. So this wig was $19. I think it came out pretty cute. It does take some styling, so if you're, you want to just put on a wig and it's already ready for you, then this is not the wig. But if you have time to just, add layers into the hair and pluck the lace just to make it thinner and all that stuff, then this is the wig. At this price, it's pretty good. For me, I honestly could only wear this for maybe a weekend. Yeah, I'm a human hair fan all the way, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and